In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a status on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp app, and once it is done, tap right here to go to statuses. Here at the very top, we can see that I've recently shared a picture to my status, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily delete it. Basically, guys, it is very simple process because all we have to do is just tap right here where it says my status, and here you will see all your active statuses on WhatsApp. Here is the current one, which I have shared 1 minute ago, just to demonstrate you how to delete it. And basically all we have to do now is just hit right here at 3 dots and then select delete. To continue, hit at delete one status update, and that's basically it. My status has just been successfully removed from WhatsApp. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.